Hi, first grade artists. We are about to make, or you're about to make, your own homemade color wheel. And just like our tables in the art room where you have red, yellow, blue, orange, purple, green, um, those are the colors that every artist works with to make new colors. And the primaries are red, yellow, blue, and the secondaries are orange, purple, green. These are my handmade color wheels. And the way I got this paper round is by tracing. I didn't trace a paper plate, but you can. I traced my cookie jar lid, and that's a nice round top. But you will need a firm cardboard backing like a paper plate to glue it into later, because we are going to fill it with different found objects over the colors of the wheel that you paint. I'm not quite finished with my red section. Just wanted to give you a little preview. This is my round shape. I'm cutting it out. I'm going to fold it in half. This is my scrap. I'm folding it in half. Center out, center out. And now this is the tricky part, but to get 6 different sections for the different colors, the main colors, you fold back, you fold a flat back, center out, and you fold the other flat back. I think you won't have a problem with this. Then I'm going to mark 3 spots, 3 points. 1, 2, 3. You can even mark these points here. 4 or 5, you could just mark them. But these are the 3 main ones you need with the black Sharpie. And do the other, flip it over and do the other sides too. This point here where it meets the edge, this point, they're called vertices. I don't know if these are necessary, but just do little dots there too. Now open it up, and it's good. Oh, let's fold it this way too to get a middle section, to get the midsection. So I folded the circle in 2 spots, two ways. And then there's the midsection. And now a straight edge, anything really, a ruler's best, but I'm just going to use this book. And I'm going to line up my dots and draw them, connect them, I mean, dot to dot. Dot to dot, right through the center. Don't forget to fold your, I think that's it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's my color wheel sections. And now red, yellow, blue, I'm going to do it in pencil because you're going to paint over it, or something lighter. I'll use this pencil. Red, yellow, blue, and red and blue make purple, red and yellow make orange, and yellow and blue make green. That is the color wheel. And now you're going to take your a brush. You could use marker if you want. I'm using my watercolor set, and I'm just simply going to paint. You don't have to see me do the whole thing. I'll just get you started. The yellow, bring it clean by jiggling, just like we do in the class with our temper cakes. And that's the yellow section. Red, yellow, blue, orange, purple, green. Not too much water because you want to kind of make it opaque. So you're going to go ahead and do this. And I would do the primaries first. Here's a red. Sometimes my red looks kind of orange, but the less water will, it's kind of an orangey red, but it's supposed to be red. I outline first and then I fill. You could do this with marker if you have markers, just so you have your background colors. And then part 2 of this video will be filling it with objects you find in your house. And here's the blue. I have two kinds of blue on my watercolor set. I'm just going to mix them. And I'm going to fill with blue. It's kind of a turquoisey blue. And then this will be purple. Ooh. There's a purple. It's fun to really mix them and see the color mix, but for this project, you can just use it straight from the marker or straight from your watercolor set. Orange. Could always add a little red to the orange if it's too light of an orange. Just as long as your orange, it's kind of a yellowy orange. I'm going to change it a little bit. It's a better orange. And the last one is green. Try to make your circle big so you can fill it with objects more easily. If it's a small circle like this one, you might have a problem filling. And the last one is green. I'm rinsing my brush between colors. You might want to lighten that green, use a little lighter green. Watercolor sets are nice because they have lighter shades next to the color. You could always blend. Okay. There's the green. And now these will be covered over, but you have your plan. This was one I did before. It's a little firmer paper, and this is the new one.